So the next thing is getting user input with entry widget. So how we will take entry? So when we need to get some bit text from the user, like its name, some email address, or if you're creating some Google form kind of thing, we need an roll number kind of thing, division, many things. So to take entry, so entry is equals to tk.entry, foreground color, background color, width, and everything has been set. So what you're doing this, you're creating just an entry. See, entry equals to tk.entry, label.pack, and entry.pack. We need to pack things. So this is very important. This is just a snippet. Entry equals to tk.entry. This is a snippet. How to create that entry thing. This white thing is created, but where to place it, how it will be packed in this whole window, that is done by the dot pack function. It will pack accordingly to the window size. Okay, well, for example, the width is maybe, no, the width is 60, then the window size will automatically grow up to 60, and your name entry will be grown up to this much kind of thing. So it will manipulate by itself with the help of dot pack button or dot pack function. This is very important. Okay, now some another features. So up till now we just saw some future features that how we may just click on a button, display some text, or maybe create some entry thing. But there are three main operations that you can perform with entry widgets. What? What is it? Retrieving the text. After user input something, we need to manipulate on that data. Like for example, if I create a game and I have entered player 1's name and player 2's name. So for example, player 1 wins. So we need to get that name from that player. So we will use dot cat button. You will take the player name and will display a dialog box. Yes, you have won the game. Deleting the text. There may be option that we restart the game. So we need to delete the previously entered text. So deleting dot delete function. Inserting some new text. For example, I have taken an email ID. Okay. So here is just not entered this whole complete at the gmail.com. I need to display, or I need to use it with the whole email address, with complete email address, I mean say. So I will need to enter something else, insert something. So you can also insert in with this dot insert function. We will see its functionalities in detail. So implementation. So there are certain features that Tkinter automatically performs. For example, if you have seen in the previous uh, slides that when you are using to write enter the name, so the name was always in the middle or the central portion of the entry widget. So this feature is of dot pack function. You need not to worry about how it will look. Will it look symmetric or not? It will look in a better or a uniform manner or not. That things will be taken care by the dot pack function. It is smart enough to place your things in a uniform manner so that it looks like it has been arranged properly. So you will learn more about in the later sections. So but basically see how is the entry widget. So entry.get. Some, for example, I have written something like it's real Python or maybe something Tirth or something, anything. So whenever I write something, I need to fetch that name. So I just fetching with the .cat button and I have printing the name. So entry.delete. Sometime as I earlier said, we need to restart the game. So the previously entered name would be deleted. So how we will do that? With the .delete function. This method takes an integer argument that tells Python which character to remove. You can also remove the entire thing, and you can also remove a specific character. This is the speciality of this function. So we can just explore more. We need to do some certain kinds of slicing. Like for example, I need to add a Mr. or I need to remove some Mr. or something kind of abbreviations are there. So if we need to remove them, we need to use the dot delete function. Instead of deleting the whole entry or instead of rewriting the whole entry, we can manipulate or rectify certain minor errors or extra information from the actual name. Okay, so for example, we are given in this code. So wherever there is, I think, real Python, I need to remove R. So I will just write the index. It's like an array. So you can see it's the 0th index means R, 1th index, and tk dot end means up till the end. The all thing will be cleared. So this is entry dot delete function. Now entry dot insert. So input from the user. For example, I need to extra myself, I need to add something more. So how I will do, I will use the entry dot insert function. So I will write Python. So first of all, Python will be imprinted, and after that I will write 0. Here it is string, while deleting it was character. In the previous slides there was character deleting. Here I am inserting strings. So in the first index there will be Python. Now in the first index there will be real. So real will be spaced with Python. Let's see. So first will be Python and next time it will be real. It is not like it is just overprinting ourselves like variable means a equals to 5 and b equals to 6. Now a equals to b means a will be 6. No, it will be 56 kind of thing because they are strings.